Hello guys, welcome to all of you in my today's video. In this video, we will learn how we have to configure or we have to define holidays in our SAP SuccessFactors system. So guys, first of all, we have to here learn how we have to define holidays. So in many organization, company, enterprises, they have given holidays to their employees. Holidays like we can say festival holidays, we can say national holidays, national holidays, company organize different events, and we can say company foundation day. So for behalf of that, company has given different holidays for different reasons. Okay, so these are the different type of holidays company has given to their employees. So how we have to define holidays? How we have to define holidays in SAP SuccessFactors system? So what is the path that we have to follow? Okay, so there are basically two paths. Okay, I will tell you one path. Your task you have to find another path. Or tell me in comment box what is other path. So you have to follow. First of all, you have to go to admin center. After that, you have to go to manage data, and after manage data, you have to search holidays. You have to search holiday, and you will find your holiday. So this is the path that you have to follow. This is the path that you have to follow. Suppose I have to define okay, for Diwali. Suppose Diwali, a national holiday. Suppose Republic Day. Republic Day. Okay. Now we have to define. We have to follow this path. Here we have to come, go to admin center. I will show you the complete path so it will more clear, guys. So you can see here, you can see here. Yes, there you have to search manage data. In tools, you have to search manage data. You will find the option that is manage data. Come to this window, and here you have to search. Here you have to search holiday. You will find holiday. Now you have to define, you have to give in a code for your holiday so that you can uniquely identify. Suppose Diwali. So Diwali 2026. Okay, Diwali 2026. So this is the Diwali festival. Okay, Diwali 2026. Country. So we celebrate. So I have select here India. I have to select here India. So this is the way I have to enter the information. After entering the information, very simple, we have to click on save. When we will click on save, you will see my holiday that has defined. You will see here successfully have defined. So this is the way we have to define a holiday. And this holiday also showing if you search here, Diwali 2026, you will find Diwali 2026 is showing here. We have defined this holiday. This is showing here. You can see. So we have to define, this is the way a holiday. Same way, if you want to define independent or Republic Day, that is also you can define. So Republic Day, suppose this is Republic Day. So we are celebrating Republic Day 2026. That you have to define. That you have to define. This is the way you have to define. So this is our, after that you have to save. You will see we have defined another type of holiday. So if you have many holidays, like 10 holidays, 20 holidays, 30 holidays, 40 holidays, accordingly you have to define. So very easy path. There is another method. Tell me what is the another path that we have to follow to define holidays. I hope guys this video clear how we have to define a holiday. If you have any question, please tell me. Thank you guys.